Gonna do what I hope is a quick video today to put a little bit of information on your radar concerning a potential issue with the new TM22 rifle from Rock Island Armory. So let's go. What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac. Welcome back to the channel. And yes, I have some notes, try to keep myself on task today as we talk about this issue. Now, there's a little bit of backstory we have to go into. As many of you know that follow the channel regularly here, I attended the Gathering event in South Carolina a few months back, where I got to shoot the new TM22 from Rock Island Armory. Now, in that video, I did mention that the TM22 does have a threaded barrel. However, I did not mention the specifications on those threads, and ultimately that may have been a good thing because therein lies the issue. Shortly after I released that video, I started getting some comments down underneath the video, as well as other social media messages claiming that the threads on the TM22 were not an industry standard, at least for the US, 1/2x28 thread. They were something totally different. And I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to all of the folks out there that engage through social media and drop helpful comments down below on the videos. This particular one, I did a little bit of follow-up on it and quickly realized that through the Rock Island website, as well as the owner's manual and some other things directly related to Rock Island Armory, there wasn't even any mention there of the TM22 barrel being threaded. And through my homework, I was able to find some written reviews on various websites that did claim the threads on the TM22 were in fact 1/2x28. Now at this point, it was time to hit up the folks that I know over at Rock Island Armory, and definite thanks to those folks, especially the gunsmith over there. I had a previous issue when I was checking out the little AL-22 revolver from Rock Island Armory and was able to get in contact with one of their gunsmiths. He helped me through that issue, and on this particular issue with the TM22, not only their gunsmith, but all of the Rock Island Armory staff have been very helpful in trying to figure out and explain what's going on. Now, there's a few different issues we need to unpack here. The first is Rock Island initially told me that these were only sent out as samples to riders, to YouTubers, that sort of thing, and they weren't available commercially yet. Now, through the folks on social media that I was talking with, through the folks that had commented in that YouTube video, I found that it was consistent across every one of them that they had purchased the TM22 rifle from Davidson's Gallery of Guns. So then I went back to Rock Island Armory. I said, hey, something's up, because I have checked out this website to kind of verify what these viewers, these followers are saying. And it does appear that Davidson's is selling these commercially. And they said, hey, you're right, this doesn't look right, we're going to look into it. I trust that they probably are. So what this means is there are probably some pre-production, or at least early production models of the TM22 rifle that are out there in the wild. Now, Rock Island says they're trying to work with the manufacturer, which is over in Turkey, to try to get these standardized to a 1/2x28 thread. In the meantime, the pre-production models, the ones that are early production, they're going to work to maybe provide an adapter in the box. That way you can adapt whatever thread that might be, we don't know at this point, over to 1/2x28. And they're also going to try to make those adapters available for those folks that maybe have already gotten a pre-production or an early production model. The second thing on this that we need to unpack is the actual threads themselves. It's really confusing, and even talking with the gunsmith at Rock Island Armory, I'm not sure what the thread on the pre-production and early models actually is. The gunsmith there measured it out as an M15.4, yeah, metric European, go figure, M15.4/1. This could be something to do, like maybe it's proprietary, maybe the Turkish manufacturer just threaded it a certain way and thought, hey, we're going to leave it at that. And maybe it's a tolerance issue. Maybe that 15.4 is actually, when you account for tolerances or the way that you measure, maybe it actually is a 15/1. So there's definitely confusion there. So the folks that already have these TM22 rifles from Rock Island Armory in hand and want to use the suppressor, well, they're kind of stuck like Chuck, unfortunately, at least for the short term. Now, at this point, I don't have any doubts that Rock Island Armory is working through these issues and they'll get them fixed. And part of that reason is the TM22, by all accounts for me anyway, is a phenomenal little rifle. I had an enjoyable time experiencing that thing at the gathering. It seems well put together, well built. It ran fine. It's got lots of cool features, and the price point is right there where it needs to be. So they really don't need something like a non-standard threading on the barrel or customer service issues hanging up the works with what I think will end up being a phenomenal little 22 rifle. Now, unfortunately, that's about all the information I have for this video. Just wanted to get it on your radar and let you know that yes, it is a thing. As stuff unfolds, like maybe we learn the actual specifications of the threads on the TM22, well, I'll put that information in a pinned comment down below, so be sure to check there. In the meantime, if you want to check out some more videos with stuff from Rock Island Armory, including the TM22 and the aforementioned AL22 revolver, well, I got it locked and loaded for you right up here. As for this one, we're done. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.